Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert an SD card into your ACER Predator 17. This is gonna be very simple. On the left side of the chassis, which I'm gonna try to show you, although this laptop is pretty heavy, you can see it right here. Just need to enter the full size SD. If you have a micro SD, then you should get an adapter from micro SD to full size SD and put it in with the logo facing up and put it in until it clicks. And if you want to take it out, then also click it and it should pop out and you should be able to just take it out with your fingers. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.